Hey, welcome to Neuro-Imagery mapping. This is the beginning of the nervous system mapping practice. And the reason why is because neuro-imagery mapping is the image, the hologram that we are creating of our lives. And that is the beginning of everything that's been created in this world. A bridge, buildings, the internet, Bitcoin, all these things, our health, the fact that you're here right now is part of the imagery of wanting to create transformation, wanting to create change. Now, what we're doing is we're mapping a new set of images. We're rehearsing a new set of beliefs and behaviors and habits in our own brain, and we're taking control of our brain. I like to call it directional thinking because a lot of the time our brain goes crazy and it takes us in the worst of places, which results in the worst of words and the worst of movements. So instead, we're going to change that and we're going to start directing our thinking toward the goals, the intentions, and the outcomes that we want. Now, there is a PDF that is available for you, and that'll go more into some of the science, some of Joe Dispenza's work, Bruce Lipton's work, but essentially, the brain, science has proven the brain does not know the difference between a vivid imagination and reality. So we are setting up our neural networks in patterns to create the behaviors and the actions to create what we want to experience in our lives on a long-term level, right? Like a 2-year, 5-year, 10-year vision, but also in the moment too. This can be game changing for how you feel, just to stop and close your eyes and maybe first notice like, whoa, I was going in the wrong direction with my thought patterns, and then create in a new way an outcome that you want. Maybe it's just simply you smiling and feeling joy, and then you can add actions to that outcome, like maybe it's dancing, or maybe you're wanting to build strength and build a healthier, more vital body. So you see yourself doing push-ups and working out with intention and walking with purpose and with alignment, right? And so in that moment, it feels better. Your mind changes the way that your physiology feels, and it also makes it easier for you to move in that direction. So that's what we're doing. This part of the program is really about neuroimagery mapping. This is how we're using the body scan, is to just empty the body first. Notice where there's tension and allow for that to release, and to find a nice flow where we're not creating collateral damage through tension and through the bad thoughts and bad imaginations. And then with that emptiness, we then direct our thoughts toward intention, toward a healthier body, toward fat loss, toward smiling and feeling better about ourselves and about our lives. And this is a process that goes in every moment. Like, we have the opportunity to take this process and build vitality without even moving, without even acting, because essentially that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to create a better life, and it's not having a six-pack that creates the better life. It's who we've become in the process, which is the transformation of our mind and our thoughts and our words and our actions. All right, so go ahead and dive in. Get excited about directing your mind, about changing the content that's inside of you towards something that feels good, that feels empowering, that feels expansive, magnetic, like you're on your purpose. All right, I'll see you on the next video.